Graph r equals 4 cos 5 theta. Now, if you watch all of my videos in order, you'll know that the last one we did was 3 sine 2 theta. And that gave us a nice little rose that looked a little something like this with, wow, ignore that, with 4 petals, but it looked something like that. This has an odd number in front of theta, which means we're going to have that exact amount of petals. Okay, since this is cosine, we begin on the positive x-axis right there. Now I need to make 4 other dots around here that are 1/5 of its way through each and every time. So my next petal is going to be 1/5 of a whole circle, so 1/5 of 2 pi. And then the next one will be 2/5 of 2 pi. And then the next one will be 3/5 of 2 pi. And then the next one will be 4/5 of 2 pi. So you'll be 2 pi over 5, whatever that looks like, 4 pi over 5, whatever that looks like, 6 pi over 5, whatever that looks like, 8 pi over 5, whatever that looks like. So let's put dots around that, estimating where we are. All right, so that first point, I'm just going to estimate to be like maybe right around there. I could be wrong with this. I'm just assuming that that's like 1/5 of my way through. So maybe you would kind of be like right here. And maybe you would kind of be like right here. And maybe you would kind of be like right here. I could be slightly off. But I'm starting here. And then what I'm doing is I'm just going to kind of create my rows the best that I can. And I'm going to just spin it around. And spin it around. And spin it around. And spin it around. And then finish the rows. All right, so it goes out to 4. Cosine minus started at the positive x-axis. That's odd, so that's exactly how many petals we have. And yeah, that could be a sine, which would mean you start up there. It just all depends on where you start, but I mean, given my limited artistic skills, I'll give myself a little pat on the back for that one.